Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 7. I hope you're all doing really well and having a good week so far. Apologies for the noise that you can hear on the roof. It's raining and it hasn't stopped raining all day, and I'm just going to try and have to film this whilst it is making that noise, I'm afraid. So I'm really sorry if you can hear it over me. I will try and talk a little bit louder to try and drown it out. So I've just got back from my social sewing group that I run in the village on a weekly basis at the local Methodist church, and it was a really lovely morning spent with my ladies sewing, eating mince pies, chatting and drinking coffee. Yeah, it was just a really nice time spent with them, and I managed to get my face wipes all finished, so they're all ready to go. I've done one completed pouch, so it's got the popper on the front there. Oh, it's quite tight. See if I can open that, and then it's got the face wipes inside there. So that was a really nice sew. So I have to say again, thank you to Sam at Sew Let Sparkle with Sam for providing that tutorial. That was really nice to make, and I've enjoyed that. And then I've just got this other one which is half finished. I just need to top stitch around the flap and put the popper on the front, and I've got the rest of the fabric cut out to do for the others, so I can get those done towards the end of this week. I didn't get a chance to even start on my reading pillows, so that's going to have to be something that I do perhaps next week. I will get them done in time for Christmas, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, you know, it's just one of those things. When you get chatting, that's what happens. But whilst we were there, we did actually have a little bit of sad news. The lady who sort of runs the church and rents out the rooms there, she popped in because she just wanted to let us know that Sandra, who actually came to my group at the very start when I first started my sewing group, she has unfortunately passed away. So that was really sad to hear. She was with me for about 6 months, and I think she got quite ill as of late, and she had quite a quick sort of downhill struggle. So yeah, it was really unfortunate to hear, and I think her funeral is next week, so I will be paying my respects to her family later today. So on a brighter note, let's get on with the advent calendars then. So today is an even day. I can't remember what day. No, we're on an odd day, sorry. Day 7, so I'm going to open Beyond the Pink Door first. So let's have a look. I couldn't find it then. I was like, have I got the right day? Right, so this is day 7. Here we go. So it's quite a flat one. So let's get this one opened. Oh, what's this? Your gift today is a copy of Adam Sew's new pattern. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you very much, Adam, and thank you very much, Andrea, as well. Oh, fantastic. I wonder what his new pattern is. I don't know. Right, I shall have to find out. I don't think it says on the front. No, it doesn't say, I don't think. Oh, find a link. It's so small. I haven't got my glasses on today. Find a link in the ebook to access your copy. There we are then. So there will be a link in the ebook. So I will be checking that out. So thank you very much. And then I shall open Angela's one today. So it is day 3, I think, with this one now, aren't we? This is where it's going to get confusing as time goes on. So let's see what we've got for day 3. Oh, it was near enough on the top. That was handy. Right, let's see. It feels quite soft. So let's see. This looks lovely. Oh, it's a tea towel, and it's got all these lovely pottery bits on there. Oh, that's really, really lovely and really colourful. I absolutely love that. Thank you so much, Angela. That is so nice. That is much better than my disgusting scabby tea towels that I've got in the kitchen at the moment. Oh, it's even a bit too nice to use, isn't it, in a way? But no, thank you so much, Angela. I love it. So I did get a small little bit of footage from my sewing group today. I think I panned around the room at the very beginning once I'd set up, and then I also did the same when there was actually people there working on their project. So I will insert that for you to see. But yeah, it was just a really nice morning. I do find that my Thursdays are a really busy day because now it is 5 to 2, and I've got to quickly have a bit of lunch because I forgot to take any food with me today, and then go and pick the boys up basically at 3:15. So I'm going to give Angela a quick call as well to have a quick catch up with her. So I need to wolf down some dinner, give her a call, get down to the school, pick the boys up, come back, sort the dinner out, and then tonight it is beavers, and that is at 6 o'clock. So it's always quite a quick turnaround on a Thursday. So I am actually going to pick up something very quick for tea tonight because I haven't defrosted anything at the freezer because I was just very bad at planning this week. So I just need to do something very quick. So probably something like fish fingers or something like that. Anyway, yes, so that is my day today. So it's a short and sweet little video for you. I don't really have anything else to share today. So I shall hopefully catch up with you tomorrow, and we'll see what that day brings. All right, take care. Bye.